Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites, macOS 10. 14 or later, at least 8 GB RAM, and JDK 11+. Next, download and launch Android Studio. You must accept SDK licenses during initial run. Once Android Studio opens, go straight to SDK Manager, install Android SDK Platform and SDK Tools, and make sure Android Emulator is checked. These are the first actionable steps because they provide the runtime and tooling you need before creating a virtual device. Make sure each install completes without errors. Once the SDK and emulator tools are installed, you move to AVD Manager to create your virtual device. You pick a device profile, then select an x86-64 system image for best performance. Download it if missing. After that, customize RAM and internal storage to match your machine. Avoid allocating more than half your physical RAM. Choose graphics, auto or hardware glaze for acceleration. Finally, enable cold boot and save the AVD so you have a reproducible, fast virtual device ready to run. You now start the emulator from AVD Manager and wait for the virtual device to boot. This can take a minute. Test apps and watch Logcat for runtime messages and errors. If performance is poor, make sure hardware acceleration is enabled. On Intel, use Haxum. On Apple Silicon, use the native hypervisor and ARM64 images. If the emulator fails to start, try deleting and recreating the AVD, reinstalling the emulator package, or launching the emulator from the terminal to see diagnostic output.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.